Hi guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. In today's video, I am going to be tackling the mess in my dining area, kitchen, and living room, and I will also be decorating for Valentine's Day. If you would like some serious cleaning and decorating motivation, stay tuned.
I've been to heaven. I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry.
If you are new here, hi, I'm Taylor. Welcome to the tiny little fam. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you can officially join. We are so happy to have you. So as you guys may know, I'm a single mom to two little boys who you will see running around in this video. And I also work full-time from home right now because of everything going on in the world. And that just means I don't always have time to pick up throughout the day, and I don't always have energy to clean up at the very end of the day. So mess accumulates, and when I do have time, it's normally like a huge complete mess. Like it's a hot mess. So I just wanted to say that because that's just life, and it's realistic for things to get messy when you have kids, especially when you have kids. So don't be so hard on yourself.
No matter how far my mind would wander, I'd always dare it to go even farther. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on and on. There's something.
Once I am done clearing off the dining room table, I'm going to move on to clearing off that ledge you see to the right and wipe everything down. Then once I'm done with that, I'm going to move on to the kitchen.
Did you really mean the words you said? Yeah, 'cause the way I see it, you had every chance to walk away.
Comment down below, where is the spot in your house that accumulates the most random items?
Hurt no one when all is said and done. Just tell me that I'm worth it. Tell me I'm the only one. You're coming back. Do you think of me? Sometimes I wanna believe in that. 'Cause nothing about me and you, me and you, me and you. All things that I wanna do, wanna do, wanna do. Don't leave me, don't let me down. Just tell me now. Do you think of me? Think of me? Think about me and you, me and you, me and you. Me and you, me and you, me and you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, what you staring at? You looking dumb dumb. No, I don't ever hold my tongue tongue. I will never be what you expect. Maybe you need to get your eyes checked. I don't care if you think I'm stuck up. I don't care cause you can't call my bluff. I don't care if you think I'm a clown. I don't care cause you can't pin it down. You can't pin it down. I'm everything you can't define. I'm always gonna cross your line. You can't pin me down, pin me down. Can't pin me down, pin me down, pin me down. You can't pin me down, pin me down, pin me down. Can't pin me down, pin me down, pin me down. You can't pin me down, pin me down. Can't pin me down, pin me down, pin me down. You can't pin me down, pin me down, pin me down. You can't pin me down, pin me down, pin me down. You can't pin me. What you staring at? You looking dumb dumb. No, I don't ever hold my tongue tongue. I will never be what you expect. Maybe you need to get your eyes checked. I don't care if you think I'm stuck up. I don't care cause you can't call my bluff. I don't care if you think I'm a clown. I don't care cause you can't pin me down. You can't pin me down. I'm everything you can't define.
Now that the kitchen is mopped, I'm going to move on to the living room area. I'm just going to tidy up over here and do a really good vacuum. I recently purchased a brand new vacuum cleaner. My old vacuum died actually in the middle of a cleaning video, so that was really sad. So I did purchase a Shark Navigator Liftaway DXL, and I am in love with it. You will see the vacuum line soon.
Pin me down, pin me down. You can't pin me down, pin me down, pin me down. You can't pin me down, pin me down, pin me down. You can't pin me. You can't pin me down.
Are you even a mom if you don't find toys under your couch?
Can't pin me down.
Judge a vacuum when you first purchase it, because right out the box, of course, the suction is going to be amazing. But my old vacuum was only 3 months old and it died on me, so I think I can compare them pretty accurately, and I have to say this is really picking up things much easier. The things that you see left on my area rug are like stuck on my area rug. I am also enjoying all of the attachments that this came with. You see this attachment head is perfect for vacuuming your sofa, and you even get the little lines on your sofa, which is nice. I didn't do the cushions, which I wish I did, and I have done that since I filmed this video, and it is amazing. Just wait till you see the vacuum lines on the actual carpet.
Coming to get you, wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your heart.
aren't the lines just to die for? Excuse the stain, that's actually laundry detergent. I just have such a hard time keeping laundry detergent inside of its container for some reason. But aside from that, look at the vacuum lines. Oh my gosh.
Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you.
Now that the cleaning is all done, I'm going to move on to decorating. For a full breakdown of everything you see here, check out my Valentine's Day decor haul. In a bit, you'll see where my 9-year-old takes complete creative control of this wall. There used to be a shelf on this wall, and I repurposed the shelf and got a new shelf that I put over in my office area. So this wall is just a blank canvas.
It looks kind of plain though. We need more decorations on this.
On this side and that side? Or do you think it should go hang it right there?
I think we should put that one like over here.
Unless we cut that and put
Unless we cut this and put one
heart
here.
or one heart over there.
One heart?
We'll put one heart.
Or we could just one heart over there, one heart over here. Then we'll put this on top. Sounds like a good design.
Put this on top?
Yeah, like put this. Yeah, that'll look cute. I like that. That'll look good.
Always be there. Always alone. Always be there. Always alone.
And we are all done. The house is clean and nice and festive, just in time for Valentine's Day. We had so much fun decorating. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.